In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WordPress.com. We'll start from a fresh browser window and move smoothly from a quick Google search to the WordPress.com site. Open your site management area, access the plugin section, run a search, and then open the Notaku plugin page for WooCommerce. I'll keep the pace steady and explain what each click does so you feel confident following along. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type WordPress and press Enter. This is a simple way to land on the official destination without needing to remember exact URLs. In the results, look for the listing that reads WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. Click that. This takes you to the hosted WordPress service where you can create and manage sites without dealing with separate hosting. If you're prompted, sign in to your WordPress.com account as you normally do. Once you're in the dashboard, find and click Manage Sites. This view shows all the sites connected to your account and is the jumping-off point for adjusting settings, content, and features across your sites. Next, navigate to Plugins. On WordPress.com, this menu gives you access to add-ons that extend your site's functionality. Quick note, depending on your plan and the type of site you're managing, the Plugins feature may appear only on eligible sites. If you don't see it, make sure you've selected the correct site, or check your plan details. In the plugin directory, use the search field and type Highlight. The search is flexible, so keywords and plugin names both work to surface relevant tools. This brings up a range of options, so you can quickly spot what you need without scrolling through long lists. From the results, locate Notaku, order notification, and customer chat for WooCommerce, which helps connect your WooCommerce products to a WhatsApp catalog using the Cloud API. Click it to open the Plugins Details page. Here, take a moment to review the description, screenshots, version compatibility with WooCommerce and your theme, and recent updates. It's good practice to check ratings and support responsiveness as well, so you know what to expect before installing anything. If you plan to use WhatsApp features, be aware you'll need the appropriate WhatsApp Cloud API set up later, and you should always keep any tokens or credentials secure. That's the flow. Search on Google, open WordPress.com, go to Manage Sites, open Plugins, search with a keyword, and then select the Notaku plugin to view its details. Pause the video as needed, and when you're ready, you can proceed to installation and configuration based on your site's needs.